Energy Encyclopedia VR keeps evolving. Ready to see what's new? Beyond modern energy systems, we've added something truly historic. Chicago Pile 1, the world's first nuclear reactor. Step inside and experience the moment that changed energy forever, more than 80 years ago. The workshop just got a major upgrade. 7 new interactive kits are waiting for you. Assemble a full PW or nuclear power plant, explore the ITER tokamak, or bring wind and water turbines to life piece by piece. Energy Encyclopedia VR is not just something you watch, it's something you experience. A hands-on journey for students, engineers, and anyone curious how our world is powered. And the best part? It's available for free on the Meta Store. Step inside energy.